Want to turn off Google's two-step verification? Here's the fastest way to do it. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone. At the top right, tap on your profile picture to open your account menu. Now select Manage your Google account. From the tabs at the top, swipe over to Security or tap the Security and Sign In section. Scroll down a bit until you see two-step verification. Tap it, and Google will take you to the verification settings page. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you will find the option that says Turn off two-step verification. Tap it, confirm by selecting Turn off, and Google will immediately disable the extra login security layer on your account. And you're done. Two-step verification is now turned off. Like and subscribe for more quick and simple Google and Android tutorials.